Get into a car with value. 2018 Ford Focus. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a sporty Ford Focus, the compact that's practical and fun to drive. Whether you choose the sedan or hatchback, you'll love the light, agile handling this sleek and efficient daily driver brings to every journey. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, sun, moonroof, backup camera, satellite radio, premium sound system, fog lamps, electronic stability control, Bluetooth connection, multi-zone AC, steering wheel audio controls. Add zest to your commute in this sophisticated Focus. Our friendly professional team takes pride in giving outstanding customer service. Come in for a test drive. We'll take excellent care of you.